Welcome back, Mongo Fix. Well, Mongo picked up this real old Craftsman table saw. It's a Craftsman under there. These are the accessories. Supposedly, it got radial arm type capability. Got a little old school cubby lock. Oh, dual belt drive. Oh yeah, that motor will move back and forth. Look like the top seen better days. Not too bad. Little light pits and whatnot. A lot of surface rust. Come with a great big cord. Mongo not wild about that style plug. Let's see here. Got a little lock mechanism. Oh. She's noisy, but she works. Now let's see if the blade go up and down. Boy, that mechanism needs some love. Cause that is tight. Well, get her plugged in. Let's see if she turns on. Oh boy, it runs. Well, this machine works. It runs. It moves. Really just needs a little TLC. You know, it needs someone just to take care of her. It needs a good Mongo in its life. Cue montage. Well, that little table saw clean up real nice. Got the radial arm attachment thingy on it. Just because most likely Mongo gonna use that the most. But it does, there's a spot underneath, put a pin in, and it'll hold that blade right there, so you can use it like a regular table saw. And it's got the miter thingy, which is adjustable, a couple different positions. Well, got the new cord up to the switch. Let's test it out, see if this old blade can cut anything. Like a glove. And of course Mongo didn't make it pretty, but at least cleaned it up real good, look a lot better. You can actually see words under there now. Well, if you like this video, be sure to like this video. If you like this video and other videos from Mongo Fix, be sure to subscribe. Mongo always working on all sorts of stuff. Mongo, thank you.